dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
See this? See it. 33 degrees! Fall is here. Winter is here. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. How are ya? My name is Nacine. I'm 37. I do keto vlogs, keto hauls, day in the life of, reviews, recipes, all things keto. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love the clicky clickies. That's a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow, helps me get out into the YouTube universe, and helps more people like you beautiful people come to my channel. Comment, like, share, subscribe, do all the things, and I will show you what I'm eating. So this is how I usually start the videos, showing you what I'm eating, and I'm usually sitting in my car at the start of the video because it's my lunch break. So I don't get to pick when I get to go on lunch, and I am not sitting in the cafeteria with all those people. I enjoy my antisocialness as I sit here on YouTube talking to almost 3,000 people. So you see it guys, it's the Keto Chow. The Keto Chow is back. This is root beer. I think this is root beer. I think I put root beer in this one. I made 2 yesterday. So this is either root beer or salted caramel. I'm pretty sure that this is root beer. This is from Jackie. Jackie doesn't like Keto Chow, so she sent me 4 packets of what she had left over. Thank you so much, Jackie. Like I said yesterday, not everybody likes it, and that's okay, but I love it, and thank you so much for sending it to me, because I don't know when I would have been able to get some, just because, you know, whatever, work hours and crap like that. But I appreciate this. I will drink all the Keto Chow. Thank you so much. I love it. I'm going to open it and see which flavor it is, because now it's kind of like a birthday present surprise or something. I can't open it with one hand. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my God. Always lick the lid. It's root beer. I like the root beer one. Nice and creamy and thick. Beautiful. Oh my God, I missed it. I'm gonna feel so good. So this is, I did 6 ounces of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, the rest water, and a 1/4 cup of avocado oil. And I always make it the night before, so it gets nice and thick and delicious. I'm going to drink my Keto Chow and be so in love with the root beer flavor. I love the root beer flavor. And I'll talk to you guys soon. There's a car up there that has bat wings. Can you see that little black car? Okay, so Tracy sent me Keto Chow, and I knew that this was supposed to be there because we've been waiting. So I think it came last Friday. No, it was supposed to come Friday, then it came Saturday, but then I missed the mail on Saturday, so then it came yesterday, and then it was Columbus Day. So today, thank you, Tracy, I got it. So she sent me the classic bundle, so I definitely am good for a couple weeks on Keto Chow now. I have the salted caramel, the mocha, the cookies and cream, the vanilla, the chocolate, the banana, and the strawberry. Is this the natural strawberry or strawberry? This is just the strawberry. Yes! So this is 3, 6, this is 1 full week of Keto Chow if I were to also eat it on the weekends, which I don't eat it on the weekends, just during the day. Plus I have 3 more, so I'm good for a couple weeks, you guys. I appreciate it so much. I can never, I don't even know. I could never repay all of you for everything that you guys have done for me emotionally and financially, I mean, sending me the Keto Chow, that is not needed at all. I want you to know that it's definitely not needed. It's not something that I expect. I appreciate it more than I can explain, and I've been over this so many times. It is so much appreciated, and I was unable to buy any more Keto Chow, and so many of you and also enjoy Keto Chow, and you watch me drink Keto Chow every day, and I have success when I drink Keto Chow, and then I just ran out, and I feel like the last 5 things I just said was Keto Chow, Keto Chow, Keto Chow. Anyways, I appreciate it, and I love you, and thank you so much, Jackie and Tracy. I appreciate it ever so much. You really, really helped me in a tight spot. And between you guys and Aaron sending me the Built Bars, I have everything that I need. And Lollis sending me the granola. Thank you, Lollis. Cookie clusters. I keep calling it granola. I'm so sorry. But I'm good. My snack cabinet was empty and overflowing with coffee, and now it's flowing with my Keto Chow and my cookie clusters and my Built Bars, and I love you guys. I am making the pizza tonight, so I better hurry up and get home to get that going. You want to go for a walk, buddy? You want to go on a walk? Alright guys, here is dinner. This is the Italian sausage crust pizza. That is my new favorite. I like it better than the chicken crust. It has just a little bit of tomato sauce, or pizza sauce actually, some Fresh Jack's Italian seasoning, some cheddar and mozzarella cheese on top, turkey pepperoni, and then on this side I have onions and green olives. So I'm just gonna cut into it. This is so good, and it is so good when you eat it cold as well. It literally tastes just like pizza crust. It's so good. So good. How good does this look?
Even Link looks so good.
Of course he does. Get back over here, pizza. Where are you going?
He's like, I'm going into Link's mouth.
There you go. There it is, guys. That's a wrap. I'm drinking my second Soleil water, and I'll probably have a cold chai latte later. And I'm going to edit my video and eat dinner and enjoy the rest of my night. Have a good one, guys.